Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 most powerful cordless impact driver drills for every job. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. Brushless cordless impact driver. This powerful impact driver features a 1/4-inch hex chuck with 220 N.N torque, ideal for heavy-duty tasks. Its brushless motor provides high efficiency and a variable speed function, allowing you to adjust the speed to match your project needs. Compact and easy to handle, it's a great choice for both professional and DIY applications. The advantages of this impact driver drill are high torque for demanding tasks, brushless motor for extended tool life, variable speed control. The disadvantages of this impact driver drill are no battery included, may be too powerful for light-duty jobs. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. 18V 13mm cordless impact drill, brushless, with batteries, built for durability. This 18V cordless impact drill features a brushless motor and comes with a 13mm chuck, perfect for a variety of drilling and driving tasks. Equipped with batteries for extended use, it is ideal for those requiring longer runtime and reliability on the job site. The advantages of this cordless impact driver drill are long-lasting battery life, brushless motor for improved performance, 13mm chuck for diverse applications. The disadvantages of this cordless impact driver drill are slightly heavy, higher price point. At number 3. Makita DTW 718V brushless electric wrench cordless drill. Makita's DTW 700 cordless drill provides exceptional power with a large torque for tough jobs. This impact driver doubles as a torque wrench, offering versatility and reliability. Free delivery is included, making it an attractive choice for those seeking quality tools with added convenience. The advantages of this cordless drill are large torque for challenging tasks, high-performance Makita brand quality, dual function as a torque wrench. The disadvantages of this cordless drill are expensive compared to other models, heavier than other drills. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. PATUOPRO 10mm cordless brushless electric drill, 2-speed, for Makita 18V battery, no battery. This PATUOPRO 10mm drill is ideal for home DIY projects, featuring a brushless motor and 2-speed options for flexibility. Although sold without a battery, it's compatible with Makita 18V batteries, offering a great balance between power and affordability for DIY users. The advantages of this cordless impact driver drill are compact and lightweight, 2-speed options for versatility, compatible with Makita batteries. The disadvantages of this cordless impact driver drill are battery not included. At number 1. 21V cordless impact drill electric screwdriver electric hammer drill. This 21V cordless impact drill functions as a versatile tool that can serve as an impact drill, screwdriver, and mini hammer drill. Powered by a lithium-ion battery, it's compact yet robust enough for various applications, perfect for those who need a multi-purpose drill for both light and moderate tasks. The advantages of this cordless impact driver drill are multifunctional tool, powerful 21V lithium-ion battery, compact and easy to carry. The disadvantages of this cordless impact driver drill are limited battery runtime, not ideal for industrial use.